Hello, dear students. We are going to start with our new chapter, Forest as Shelter. We are going to learn about forest. Okay? Yes. Before we end up this chapter, you shall learn about what are the different types of forest, life in the forest, the uses of forest to living things, the need to protect the forest cover of the earth. So, dear students, today we are going to learn about the types of the forest. Okay? Yes. So, let me narrate you a small story, students. There was a boy called Samarth. He found a beautiful picture in one of the magazines which his father bought for him. His dad told him that the bird could not be found in cities. It lived only in the forest. And Samar's father also promised him to take him to the forest someday. So, dear students, do you know about the forest anything? You see different kinds of new animals in forest. Do you see in cities? No. So let us see what is forest first. Okay? Yes. When we travel to different places, we see many trees, plants, right? We see a land that is covered with trees and plants. These trees are not grown by people, they grow on their own. These are forests. That is, the forest are the lands which many trees and plants grow on their own. Okay? Yes. So, what is forest? Forests are the land which has many trees. There are different types of forest on the earth. For example, forests found in cold mountains have cone-shaped trees with needle-like leaves. You can see in the picture, right? It is a cone shape. This is the cone-shaped tree, right? Yes. So this is where these trees are found. They are found in cold mountain. They are found in cold mountain. Their leaves look like needle. Their leaves look like needle. Yes. Forest which grows in warm areas with high rainfall, having trees with broad leaves. That is the forest which grows warm area. Where warm areas is nothing but it is not either too hot or too cold. That is warm. And in rainfalls, the leaves are very broad. Forests which get rain throughout the year remain green always. That is known as evergreen rainforest. That is the forest which rains throughout the year and it remains green. So these trees are known as, or these forests are known as evergreen rainforest. Why rainforest? Because it rains throughout the year. But in some other forests, during the autumn season, the color of leaves changes to yellow, orange, and red, and they fall off. Then the trees grow new leaves. That is nothing but in autumn season. Autumn season is nothing but winter season. So in winter season, the color changes, the leaf color changes to yellow, orange, or red. Okay, and they fall off. These trees grow, that once they fall, they grow new leaves among themselves. Okay, students, so did you understand what forests are? What are the different types? Yes, let us discuss again. Forests are of different types. They look different in color. They have different shape of the trees, shape of the leaves, and so on. Okay, students? Yes. Now, let us read the story of Samarth. Have you visited any forest? No, right? What, or if you have visited, what are the things you find inside the forest? Now, let us read what Samarth found when his father took him to a forest. Once he enters the forest, he felt the air cool and fresh. Why do we feel cool and fresh? That is because of the natural wind due to plants and trees. Okay, students? Yes. We could hear the creeping of different birds and the sounds of beetles. Beetles is, you can see this picture. This is beetle. Okay. There was no proper road to walk. There was no proper road to walk. The guide in front of us guided them throughout a narrow way between the bushes. That means there was a guide who was guiding them the way to go, so that it should not be harmful, because in forest there will be many animals. Okay. Yes, the guide guided them throughout the narrow between the bushes. When he looked up, he couldn't see the sky properly. Why? Because the trees of the branches are covered with leaves. The sky is covered with trees of the branches and leaves. Okay, he couldn't see the sky properly because the branches of the trees were spreading, forming a cover overhead. He could find many birds on the trees. He could see the monkeys climbing on the trees, taking the huge steps. They were eating the berries. They saw a monkey eating the berries. Then they were climbing the huge trees. On one of the branches, there was a huge beehive. Beehive, do you know? What do we get from beehive? Honey, right? Yes. So, next what happens? Let us see. Suddenly, he heard a rustling sound from the ground. He could see a snake quarreling fast. He could see a snake quarreling fast. That is, he is moving. It disappeared in the bushes. The ground was covered with leaves and animals' droppings. It was spongy to walk. Why spongy, students? That is because it is muddy. Why it is muddy? Because there are many trees and plants. So it rains most of the times, or they water the plants. Many things will be there, right? So it will be spongy because there is no proper road. It is a, what is it? It is a muddy. Okay, it is very muddy. So it will be spongy to walk. Using a stick, he removed some layers of leaves which was covered on the ground. Below them, he could find a dark color soil. It was loose. He could find some earthworms, because earthworm stays in the soil. Okay, it stays in the soil. Earthworm stays in the soil, and the snail and some insects in it. So when he digs with a stick, that means he tries pulling out the mud from the stick. There he sees small earthworms, snail, and some insects in it. Isn't it scary, students? Or is it interesting? Let us see what happens next in the next class. Okay, students? Thank you, class. Enjoy learning.